a 15-minute routine that your competitors definitely aren't doing. Your Google business profile is pretty much bleeding visibility right now. You can't really see it happening. Google shipped a May 2026 update with 3 main changes. You get to pick which photos show up first. AI catches fake reviews and emails you when they're removed. And AI generated Q&A. So buried in the release notes, the local algorithm now weighs freshness way harder. 30 days without a photo or a post, you're dropping like a stone.
So Google just changed the game on local search, and 90% of businesses have no idea. So I'm going to break down what actually matters here in like 60 seconds. The video you've just watched hits on something we've been screaming at my agency at Hello Search for years. Google's basically turned your business profile into a live, breathing, living thing. They've added some AI features, better photo controls, and all that stuff. Sounds fancy, right? But here's what actually happened. Google's algorithm now heavily rewards freshness. 30 days of silence, you're dropping in rankings. Your competitor posting every week, they're beating you. That's it. That's the real update. Look, I manage Google business profiles across all our clients, and this isn't new to us. But for most business owners, this is a wake-up call. Most people treat their Google business profile like it's 1995. They set it up once and forget about it. Meanwhile, the algorithm is literally rewarding consistency now more than it ever has. The good news, you don't need perfection. You don't need a production team. 1 photo a week, 1 short post, that's just 15 minutes of your time. And on top of that, you could literally schedule all of it. You don't have to be polished, just be real. Think about it like a maintenance check for your car. You don't skip oil changes, right? This is the same thing for your online visibility. So here's what I want you to do. Every Friday or Monday or whatever day works for you, spend 15 minutes. Snap a photo of your work, write a sentence or 2 about it, hit publish or upload, and done. You're not doing this for people to see. You're doing it for the algorithm to see that you are active and relevant. That's literally the whole game now. Your competitors probably aren't doing this right now. That's why they're losing. If you're running a business and you're trying to figure out how to actually implement something like this, or you want to know if your local strategy is even working, just send me a message. This is what I do all day, every day for my clients. We help business owners build visibility the right way without any of the guesswork. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.